Meaning of hygienically.
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 Hygienically. Hygienically refers to practices that promote cleanliness and maintain good health. It means taking steps to prevent the spread of bacteria, germs, and viruses that can cause disease. When something is done hygienically, it follows strict standards of cleanliness, such as using sterilized equipment and disinfecting surfaces. Adhering to hygienic practices can prevent the spread of illnesses and infections. It is especially important in settings like hospitals and food preparation areas where the risk of contamination is high. Overall, practicing good hygiene can lead to a healthier and more sanitary environment for everyone.